To add a pattern overlay effect to a layer, come down to the Effects menu for the layer you wish to add this to, and choose Pattern Overlay. And you'll notice that Pattern Overlay is checked over here. In the dialog itself, you have all the various blending modes, so you can blend that in. Here you can choose from any of the patterns that you have saved into your pattern dialog box. You can scale the pattern larger or smaller to whatever works best in your image. And again, you can link that with the layer or not. And you can make this the default, or you can reset to the Photoshop's default over here. If you have set up a number of layer effects on this side, you can create a new style by clicking on this button and adding a name and what kinds of things you wish to include